if there are no parents, if they are working somewhere, the best guidance can be provided by the elder people of their family. Because that's the beauty of a family, that a person is under the vigilance of so many people, that if he or she is suffering from any sort of trauma.
In our country, people are forcing to rote learning. We are learning by bookish knowledge. We have no skill. We have no school. Because of without skill, we are unemployed. Because of this, we need change our education system.
Yes.
And no, we are focusing on exam. We are lose our creativity. We lose our ability. We lose our.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा.
What's our relation that
Lyrics, rhythm.
Cyber crime, and there are so many other crimes as well, because of they are influenced to getting the wrong information through the social media. Due to this is the harsh reality of the social media.
You know about the social media's power. Suji! Everybody!
Hello everybody, good morning.
This is Mr. Tushar.
This is Mr. Sujit and
पहले ही लिखो.
hello everybody. This is Mr. Tushar and I am Sujit.
Right.
And we are discussed here. We
discussed here कैसे हो जाएगा?
we are going to talk about on the topic of the.
What's more
You don't know the topic.
No sir.
Who is more responsible?
Sir, we are going to talk about on the topic of the who is more responsible, girls or boys.
Or my friend is supporting.
My friend is supporting, boys is more responsible. But
Him.
I'm supporting that girls is more responsible than the boys.
Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Sujit and this is me, Tushar. We are going to speak about the who is more responsible, girls and boys. I think you all know about them, but today we are discussing about on this topic, and he is supporting the girls. Could you tell us? Could you tell us about why the girls is more responsible?
Sir, may I talk?
Yeah, of course. Tell them.
Okay, sir. You know that if you are sir, both are sir same. But if we are talking about the who is more responsible, girls or boys, but especially sir, girls is more responsible than the boys. Each and every corner, sir. Each and every points. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why not?
But if the boys can cook the food, if the boys can go outside the home, if the boys can earn the money, then how can you say this? The boys is not more responsible than the girls.
Yes, sir.
Of course. Only the girls is only why is greater than the boys, because
Yes, sir. Also, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, girls are also earning money and they are.
Excuse me, yes.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Yes, sir. Girls are also earning money and they are, sir, living their life like a luxurious way. And you can say that there is everywhere, every field, sir. They are, sir, like jhanda ga rahi hai, like that. And it's okay. Yes, sir. And they are, sir, feeling more confident, sir.
yeah, of course, they are doing. Girls are doing doing well in every field. What about the boys? They are also doing in every field. Huh? Dramatically. Oh, sorry. They are also doing well in every field. And in the past time, in the ancient time, from the ancient time that today is in a modern time, boys are doing well.
Sir,
Of course, boys are doing well. And if we talk about the girls, what they did in the ancient time, in only home.
Okay, sir. Sir, you mentioned about the topic of the ancient time. You know that ancient time was so many girls are suppressed by so many people, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. And sir, right now so many girls and sir ladies are suppressing in this time, in this era, sir. But the girls are more. Girls
are being suppressed.
Girls
Are being suppressed.
Girls are being suppressed. Yes, sir.
Yes.
But now in this era, sir, they are live their life like a luxurious way. And sir, you know that
Tell people.
girls are
No.
That's why, because girls suppressed in the ancient time, that's why the boys suppressed in the nowadays. They are, yeah, of course, wife, what about the wife cooking a man, cooking his husband in a cooker, and eating this. What about the drum, what about the syrup, what about the syrup, in a drum, what about the syrup in a drum, what about the syrup, they jammed in a cement drum, what about the syrup?
okay, sir. Okay. You know that in your home, sir, in your home, sir, who is making food? You are not talking about. You are not worry about your mom, your sister. You are not worried. You are not worried about your family. You are not worried about your sister. Sir, what is going on in your family? Who is making food? Who is making food? Who take care of you? Who take care of you? And you are not responsible. And you are not worried. And you are not earning. Sir, what are you saying that? Sir, I'm not totally agree with you. I don't agree with you. And sir, we know that, sir, from early morning and till the last night. So our moms, our ladies, our sisters are making.
What about he talking about his mother and sister? What about my father who doing a job outside of home? And whenever my mother sick in a home, whenever my mother suffered from the diseases, what my father did, they cooked the food in a home, and instead of this, they earning a money outside of the home also. Then what about my father?
Sir, you okay, sir.
Tell people.
Sir, you know that
Girls are
our father.
Please hold this. So, Miss Swarnima, you are going to defeat your friend Anshika, right, in this Philip Talks. Could you let me know that the topic that you have, taken today to
Government hospital and a private hospital.
hospital, right?
Yes.
So, what do you think? Which hospital is the best? What have you selected?
Government hospital is the best.
And of course, private hospital is the best, right? Good, no problem. Hello, dear audience. Please concentrate, and your appreciation matters a lot. Your appreciation?
Matters a lot.
How will you appreciate these speakers? No! By listening. Sometimes people clap just paying formality, right? Sometimes people clap like this as well, come on. They just pay formality. So you do not have to pay formality. If you listen lovingly, that is the best appreciation of the day today. So Miss Ansika, the time is yours.
The government hospitals is better than the private hospital because government hospitals give a poor people a very good treatment, and you can go and see in a government hospital there are so many people who are not able to give a more money, they are not able to give expensive money to the private hospitals, so they can go and
Government hospitals are not. From my point of view, private hospitals are more better than government hospitals because private hospitals have that hygiene and in terms of bed, in terms of
the government hospitals are better than the private hospital because you can go and see in a private hospitals she will say government hospitals are, you have to stand in a long queue, but if your patient want a emergency, then you don't have to stand in a long queue. Government doctor gives you a emergency if your patient want emergency service.
in private hospital there are online.
The government hospitals provide you a very good treatment in a very less amount. They give you a free vehicle service. They give you a free vehicle service. They give you a free medicine. They give.
Private hospitals are giving you the health insurance which help to the poor people when they are not
You
able
can
to
see in
afford.
a AIMS hospitals, in a single hospitals.
Private hospitals are available 24/7 for the people, but government hospital does not do not available all the time. They So the doctors are not available sometimes in the government hospitals. For private hospital, there are specialist doctors who are available for the.
What she is saying, sir, in a government hospitals, if doctor is not available, they switch to with the other doctor. Like if there is not, they are not present a cardiologist, they hire us other. They can hire. They hire other no sir, other cardiologist. I am not saying gynecologist. Yes sir. There every time staff will present it for you. If you want extra treatment, the specialist doctor and sir ji, there are government hospitals. They are more experience.
Most of the times, in a government hospital, doctors are not available there, which will.
So government, if you can see.
अरे मुझे हराना
Sir, let me speak.
You can see, sir. You can see.
No, she has to speak. Yes. 1, 2,
In
3.
private hospitals,
आगे 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 yes. आगे आगे.
in private hospital, they use the international method, like they have the new technologies and equipments for the patients, and the hygienic food is
Sir, you
available
can,
there.
sir, you guys, you can see in a AIMS hospital, KGMU, they are a very advanced. Now this time you can go and they have a very advanced machine. This time you can go and see in a AIMS hospital. They are a single roof, and under the single room you.
Yes.
So in private hospital, there are many facilities. There are many other centers. There are many other centers in one hospital, like pediatric and for eye care, for lungs care, for other for diseases. There.
1, 2, 3. No more. Oh, Swarnima is here. Swarnima, come on. You have to take one of these. Come on, please. But don't open here. You have to open there. Go.
Okay, sir.
No. Thank you. Very nice. Swarnima did a well job. Don't tell people how much you have, all right? I think you were unlucky one.
Yes, sir. I think I have.
No problem. Don't tell people. You are, huh? Yes, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Let's invite the next person here. We have Mr. Sahran and Mr. Zaman. Please go to the stage. This is gonna be one of the most tantalizing session. Come on. You guys have to feel the song here.
I'm here to sing a song. Tum hi ho. Tum hi ho.
Okay.
And this song dedicate for my friend.
What do you mean by that?
Sir, he is my brother, and I loved him so
Feel
much.
like your brother.
You loved him.
I love him so
I love
much.
him. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा.
I am not live without
अरे
you.
गाना गा के. What is this? Yes. You have to sing like him, right? In English. Come on.
I am not live without you because I have no existence without you.
No,
तुझसे
wait. ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. इनकी देख रहे हो नज़ाकत.
Yes. Sir, he speak in English. वो हिंदी.
नज़ाकत ले आओ. You have to bring नज़ाकत. Come on.
I can't live without you because I have no existence without you.
No problem.
तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा.
If I separated with you, so I also separated with myself.
Lyrics, music, नज़ाकत.
Drum.
देखो कितना अच्छा गा रहे हैं.
Yes, he is singing well.
So you are losing it. You are losing it. Yes,
No,
please.
sir.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो.
Because of you, you are my love. Always.
हाँ बोलो. इतना ज़्यादा इतना एक ही है सेंटेंस. अरे इतना ज़्यादा एक आया आप एक ही सेंटेंस खत्म कर दिए.
नहीं.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो,
क्योंकि तुम ही हो.
अब तुम.
Because of you. No. Tell me the English.
Because you are here.
Because you are here. Because you are here.
No,
Because you are here. You are my love.
Yes.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवार नहीं.
What's our relation that we are,
Lyrics, rhythm.
yes, sir, what's our lyrics that we will not far away a second. Where is drum, sir, ma'am?
What do you
Where is
think that
harmonium?
winner?
He is.
Please take. No problem. You can open there. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so
Mr.
much.
Zaman is a winner. Very nice. Good.
Good morning, everyone. This is Chandni and this is me, Priyanshi. We are going to talk about the education system of India.
Good morning, everybody. This is Priyanshi and this is me, Chandni Pataria. Priyanshi.
Priyanshi, yes,
This is Priyanshi and me, Chandni Pataria. We are talking about education system in India.
Yes.
And you know, India is vast and diversity. There are many type of people, and they need everyone have own ability. We cannot fit all same size in one thing.
Good morning, everyone. According to me, if I talk about the education system of India, there are many schools are there. Government has provided a free education to those students who are not able to get a chance.
But in our country, people are forcing to rote learning. We are learning by bookish knowledge. We have no skill. We have no school because of without skill we are unemployed. Because of this, we need change our education system.
Yes. Continue.
And we are focusing on exam. We are lose our creativity. We lose our ability. We lose our
But government has provided so many programs so that we can learn so many skills. And what she talk about, we are just learning bookish language, but there are so many skills programs that is government provided. And if somebody want to being respected by someone, so it is very important to learn all these things and to know the importance of education. And
but we know there are in our education system 10+2 education. It will be replaced by new education policy 2021. There are 5+3+3+4. But everyone have own ability. Everyone have own regional language and mother tongue. There are many states in India. There are many in rural areas and urban areas. There are gaps in between education system.
India's education system is the most largest education system in world, and government has provided, there are so many Navodaya schools, and they are providing free food to that students who are so that we can get nourishment from that school. And
but free food, how can we develop ourselves? How can we develop our ability? How can we choose our job without any skill? Without any skill, our education is without we are focusing on exam. We have pressure to learn because I want to top, because I want to take 90+ grade. But what about our skill? We are skill, but now time we can purchase a degree by money. Everyone has graduate, but they.
Sir, it's not a debatable topic, sir. How can? Sir, it is not a debate.
No, I'm sorry. Please.
Thank you, sir.
Of course. वही कहा है कि जब पॉइंट ना हो तो इट इज नॉट डिबेटेबल टॉपिक. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But Shadni, you did a well job. Fantastic. Great expression. Sometimes it is very important to do pagalpanti in front of people, guys. To become a fit speaker, guys. Why? Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the next, the MBBS doctor of Lucknow. Of course, he is doing practices in Medanta Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Raja, please come to the stage.
He is Raja and this is Aman. Now we are gonna talk about government school versus private school. So I want this Raja should start.
Raja to start. Yeah.
This is Aman. I am Bhupesh Dubedi. I'm Raja sir, sorry sir. It is my mistake. I'm talking about government school and versus private school. But I'm supporting government school because nowadays you can see the well qualified doctor.
Doctor?
Government
Camera में focus करो.
government teacher and
Good morning, everyone. This side Aman. Nowadays, and we are just gonna talk about government school. Teachers are very lethargic in government school, and so we should prefer a private school. Because if you put your children in a private school in the starting phase of the learning new things in a private school, then he can be and he can do something new.
you can see you don't have more money, then you can take admission.
Expression.
So you can take admission from to government school.
जाओ यार एकदम हो जाओ.
If you have sufficient money, if you have money for eating, if you have money for spending clothes, if you spending on clothes, if you have sufficient money, then it is a topic of conversation that you have no money. If you have sufficient money, that depends on you that you don't want to spend on education.
You can find books and you can find there shoes, and you can find the book, and you can find midday meal as well.
You can buy books, you can get the books from the government school, but you can't get the notebooks, or you can't get the pen and pencil. There is so many needs of so many things according to the education, but at the same time there is so many students bunk their schools, go to the schools, and they are smoking on their school, and teachers are not proper taking care of the student.
So it is not like that. If you want to see the ground reality, you can see the situation of Delhi school, and every school nowadays is government school is too much best. And other thing, and if you want to see the ground reality of advertisement, they are only making money, not a qualification.
Philippe, come on.
If I go somewhere, there is my need is that get me done that kind of thing. I have no need to midday meal. I have no need for school. If I prefer the government school, my first priority is education. So to educate myself, it's a teacher's duty. But sometimes they are very lethargic. They didn't even attend their class, and students should be like smoking and other things. And if the parents send the students to the government school, and the government school only for the girls.
If you are not having good skill, good knowledge, good efficiency, good proficiency as well, you can't crack the exam of government school. It is a reality. And if I talk about private school, it is not like that. If you are not having good qualification, then you can go there and you can.
This is exact I'm saying what my friend is saying, that if you have no knowledge, if you have no skill, if you have other skills, this is exactly I'm saying. Government school not conducted so many kind of activities, as simultaneously private school are responsible. They are conducting so many other activities apart of education.
Near about me, there are many children. Then they are going for studying something, but. Think about parents. They are suffering a lot because per one child they have to pay money approx 6,000 rupee. Yeah, per single children.
If the parents prioritize the government school, the children who studied in a government school only for, if the girls, the only for girls government school. If the boys, only for boys school. What will the kind of situation that the student have when he completed his 10 plus 2, and the student, the male student, I'm talking about the male student, he even very afraid about to talking to the other genders, to the girls. They have, because they can't good, they had not surround himself according to the good environment, according to the both kind of environment where they get to know that what kind of equality, what is equality, so many kind of things. And
Sir, there is no discrimination in government school. You can see if you want to sit there and sit there, no worry about that. Nobody can see, nobody can say that why are you sitting there and what are you sitting there. This is the reality of government school.
Thank you very much. Please have a seat, everybody. पब्लिक के सामने अपने नाम का फायदा उठाया करो. Hello everybody, my name is Salman. I am here with Arman in this Hindustan. Come on. थोड़ा सा ना राइमिंग वगैरह बना के ना जनता थोड़ा खिंचाए उससे, ठीक है ना. सामने I am Salman, his name is also Salman. जनता थोड़ा हंसी, इसी साथ थोड़ा और राइमिंग बना देते. इन फ्यूचर के लिए, अभी के लिए नहीं. सोशल के लिए कुछ नहीं बन पाएगा.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. This is Salman, and I am also Salman. I am going to talk about the social media. So I am favoring a good impact of social media, and my opponent is a favor of bad impact of social media.
Great.
So we are talking about the good impact of social media.
Okay, so my name is MS Khan and I am having here for discussing the point of social media. Everybody, we are living in 2021 and quarterly passed away right now. So this is the 2025 and we are using so many mobile phone and the digital media platforms right now. And we are discussing about the negative impact of the social media applications, because whatever the goals we are right now set it, but we are not focusing on that point of view, because we are giving more time to the other application and other activities comparatively to the exact goal which we are setting right now. So my opinion is that the social media application we should use only for the information, not for the consuming my life there only for this. So this is the very important information, like people are using 3 to 4 hours a day of our lives to spend there.
Suppose a student are not able to join the Veltalk Institute. So he join the he can join the YouTube channel because of social media.
You can join YouTube channel.
We can see a video of YouTube channel. We can watch the video of YouTube channel because
Subscribe to the channel,
yes, subscribe. So a family are not able to do any hard work.
Yes.
But he able to do in food. He able to do make a food. He start a cloud kitchen. And he's selling the food of Zomato. This is a good impact.
Excuse me, Zomato is not social media.
Social application is a social application.
It can be social application, but it's not social media. You need to understand.
It's not a social media application.
But you can continue, no problem.
Yeah.
But please ignore these points. As the phone pay bhi social media ho jaye.
There are everything is available in the media. It's not everything is the social media. Okay, so my friend is saying like the video are learning from the social application. YouTube is not a social media application. YouTube is a medium which is used for so many things. There are social media applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, such kind of the media application.
YouTube is not social media.
YouTube is a social media where people are learning, not only for learning. There are so many other activity can do there. Okay, apart from that, okay. So apart from the learning from the social in the YouTube, there are so many other things we can do along with in YouTube. We can start our channels and promote our business as well there. My point here is that to using and consuming the over consuming of anything that become hazardous for our life. So if we are not taking care of that, let's suppose we are here for learning the English and conversation, want to increase my fluency. Why we are? That's the reason only here. So we have to be focused such kind of the content there, not only the scrolling the reels, spending 3 to 4 hours there, and our money is also spending there. So your time is very important. This is who will be taking care of all those things. If you are not taking care of all those things, definitely you will not be achieve your goal whichever you set in a particular time manner. This is the harsh reality of the social media. People are giving more times, and there are so many fake and the authentic news. Who will be taking care of all those things? There are so many viral news are going there in the social media applications, but who will authenticate those news? Because of that, people are getting the influence, and they are doing the crime right now due to that, because of the cyber crime, and there are so many other crimes as well, because of their influence to getting the wrong information through the social media. Due to this is the harsh reality of the social media application. So guys, we have to.
Do you know about the social media's power? Do you know about the social media powers? YouTube channels give us 60-100 crores per year for give money for making a video.
Okay. Go ahead.
You spoke well, but no, you have to sit down.
Mr. Cap, so I'm just asking one question. You know all these things from the social media or any particular platform? There are so many other applications like the weather application who will provide such kind of the information. If we are going to somewhere, we are using the Google Map application. This is not a social media application. They are information application. They are developed for their objective only for that. They provide the information. Social media application that we are getting n number of things there, but some of them maybe you are useful, but some of them not.
But I'm not talking about Google Map. I'm talking about WhatsApp. Like when I was in city, but sometime notification come that in your in group that some and a village flood is coming near your village. But even my family member don't know about this thing. Didn't know about these things. But with the help of this social media, with the help of WhatsApp, I get to know. I got to know.
Okay, the point here is that
Let him complete.
And once my family member don't know that who
Okay, he said about the social media of Facebook. He getting the information from there because he is living in rural area and getting the information through that. But what about who will provide the authenticity of that news? Because there are so many groups are providing fake news over the WhatsApp right now, and they are influencing that and they are doing the crime right now. So there should be a regulatory against the Facebook or WhatsApp community. Whoever the admin is there, whoever providing the information is, you have been checking that like he is providing whatever the information over the groups, that is authentic or not. Because sometimes what happens, people providing the information, but it's not a right way, because they are just influencing their community, their group of people, and influence them to do a particular mindset and influence to do the jobs which their mindset want to do that basically, because they just not take care of the society and all those things. They just care their mindset and their objective, which is making fulfill or not.
But so many things may be wrong, but the information of anyone death, this can't be wrong. Some information about some information about going on, this
Thank
can't
you
be
very much.
wrong.
Please, you both have to sit down.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gunja Shrivastava, and today I love to speak about child should not go to the boarding school. Look, we are from India, and it's having a very, cultural heritage. We are having a vast cultural heritage. And when we talk about the cultural heritage of India, we talk about the Gurukul Pratha. It's an ancient educational system of India, where
Good morning, everyone. I'm Tulika, and today we are talk about children should send the boarding school because it's because there are the lots of advantage. Like in boarding school, they have a environment in a classroom and in.
we used to get those type of environment in Gurukuls, but now gone are the days then we are having those type of environment and these type of teachers. Teachers are not like that, the environment is not like that. What about the security purpose? We are not having any security for our children in boarding schools, and that's the worst thing, which I actually think that we are not send our children to the boarding school.
Ma'am, you talk about security. Nowadays we are in modern era, and we are always in the under of camera. If you going walk on a road, so you are under the camera. And about boardings in classroom.
What sort of things you are saying, ma'am? Lots of bullying cases, lots of bullying cases, lots of abusive cases are there. You can read there in newspaper that the small child were raped, even the boy or even the girl, they are raped by the teacher themselves. And when you are talking about these sort of thinking, how come you make your child to go there and spend their life of 15 years, the crucial year of their lives in that environment? The best environment for the children are the home of theirs.
Ma'am, it's also happen in schools, also happen in school, not in boarding. Also happen in roads, not in boarding. Everywhere it's happened, but we can't stop it, but we can change it because because in boarding schools we have an environment to how to help to others. If we go schools, we think like wrong things also, because in roads someone are like abusing, someone is smoking. So like in our student life, firstly we learn the things what's happened going on. So in our
I'm
life.
totally disagree what you are saying. I'm totally disagree with what you are saying, because you have no bonding, no connection with the student, with your child when when he or she is in the boarding school. But when he is in a school, you have a connection with him. He can come to you and say that this type of mishappening is happening with him, and you can go to the teacher and the principal and talk about this, because you are directly connected with the person, with the guy, with the child. But in boarding, you have no connection. You are far away emotionally and physically with that person.
No, I'm not agree, because in our home, parents are always nowadays too much busy in our own life, because they have lots of work related to house, so they're not guide properly. But in boarding schools, they always under the guidance. Guidance that like mentor always guide, and teacher also guide, and they make a friendly environment to our friends, like how to help each other.
I don't agree to what you are saying. The best guidance can be provided by parents only, and not if there are no parents there. If there are no parents, if they are working somewhere, the best guidance can be provided by the elder people of their family, because that's the beauty of a family, that a person is under the vigilance of so many people, that if he or she is suffering from any sort of traumatic scene, it can be seen or shared by everyone, and everyone is there to help him or her out from that thing. Okay then.
Like in our house, like parents always not guide, because if boy or girl doing a mistake, so they like think, yeah, I'm doing a mistake, so ab kya hoga next. So but in school, if a student doing a mistake, so always teacher teach us, don't do this and that kind of things, because it's not good for your life. But in our house, we always think, if I told our parents, so they like scold me. And
the worst thing about the boarding schools is the teacher is only performing their duties. They have no emotionally connected with your child. They have no concern about what sort of trauma and he is or she is facing in their life. They are only like military shasan. You have to wake up 6 a.m. early at the morning, and you have to go to the bed at 9 p.m. There is no interaction in between the peoples and all the social mates over there. And
ma'am, always emotion not give by the parents. It's also give, because teachers are know like what students doing and not, because teacher is like a parents. So they always teach where we are like lacking or not, because parents just always doing, yeah, okay, you are doing studies. They don't know where are you. There are lots of distractions.
well, have you ever concerned that the teachers can tell you about the moral principles of life? The teachers can tell you about the religious activities, your religious sign of your religious part of your life. They never concern you to be the spiritual, you to be religious, and that's the worst thing. You don't know anything about your religion. You don't know.
Ma'am, in our house, like parents always teach, and grandparents always teach, like girls have like on one work to do housework, but boys can't do this, because it is not good, because the thinking of our parents and grandparents ki some works related to kitchen and that kind of only for girls. But in our boarding school, teachers all works are for equal, all are equal.
I'm totally disagree what the ma'am has said, because when we talk about the boarding schools, you don't have co-ed education. There's a boys hostel, there's a girls hostel. Boys know nothing about girls, and the girls know nothing about boys. And when they get into the social atmosphere, they don't know how to interact with each other, and they have their separate mentality, and that's the worst thing. worst thing.
Ma'am, a boarding school is not all about the life. It's like it's 1 to
That's
12
the initial part of life. That's the initial stage of life where you are learning, where you are actually remembering something, where you are getting the education, the moral
But
principles.
in our like boarding school, they have not too much distraction to distract by other genders.
Oh.
Because nowadays, everywhere schooling times they interact and they are think how to to talk with her and his.
What sort of thing you are saying? An 8-year-old boy is attracting towards other gender. He knows how to involve with the other gender. He knows what's the mentality and what's the choice of the other gender, and that will make him a more better person rather than.
Ma'am, after the 12th, we know what is good and what is right. We are totally mature. We think like if it is wrong, so wrong. But
What I think that the best learning stage is after 5 to 13, and in that age, if you are separated by your mother, whether with the guidance of your mother, the strictness of your father, that's the worst thing. You can't be a good human being if you are stay away with your home.
For both speakers. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have something to give them. Please put your hands together for Gunji ma'am and Tulika. Please come here. You can take this one. Please. It's your luck. ले गई. बहुत है. Wow, very nice. Great. You actually bounced back and you did a well job. Congratulations. Please have a seat. Very nice. All right, everybody. So this was all about today. Thank you very much, everybody.